Hey guys, another Amazon package. I love ordering stuff. So check this out. I got a new product to review. So I got some water bowl. Let me show you. This over here is my current water bowl that spills a lot of times, and I'm afraid of leaving my pets for a long period of time. Like, we go on vacation for anywhere from 5 to 10 days, and I'm always afraid they're gonna run out of water, especially with this water bowl, because it'll spill out sometimes and flood the floor, which is a whole nother mess. So I always end up leaving extra bowls of water all over the house just to make sure they're okay. But this is gonna be a game changer because completely wireless water bowl, you can plug it in to charge it. It says the battery will last up to 10 days even with a really thirsty drinker. So check this out. It comes with a lot of added stuff straight out of the box, which is kind of cool. So pull off all the wrapping and the booklet that tells you how to use it and set it up and program it. It's really easy. Comes with all this different stuff wrapped, and pull all this stuff out. So I already opened this up and pulled everything out. So this is the top where the water filter goes here, and the water will drip down through a filter that goes underneath, which I'll show you right now. Here is the actual water pump, which is like basically the same pump that comes from a coffee maker, so you know it has really good flow. So the water comes out of here. Here's your actual motion sensor, and then the power on, and then you have, this is where the USB-C connection, if it'll open up. I don't have nails, so the USB-C is right on the back of this, which again, I don't have nail. There we go. So you have the USB-C charger where you can plug that into a wall and charge it, or leave it plugged in. I mean, that way, whatever. So you have a pre-filter that's in the bottom right here, and it comes with a set of, I believe, 5, which is going to be right here. Nope, so it comes with 3 in here, and then the 4th is already in there. And then, oh, actually, I was wrong. It comes with like 6 plus 1 already in it, so 7 of them. Then you have all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes with 6 filters, which that is these. Comes with a filter, and I know it works because I already used this one. On the back, it's, I don't know if you can see that discoloration a little bit, because I have hard water in my house, so it definitely has worked filtering out that water and making it nice and clean. I don't know how well you can see that. It's like yellow in the inside a little bit, where the filter's actually been filtering out stuff. So it works really well. So you have the basket. Oh. So you have this basket that you put the filter into. So then it sits like this. Then you have the bucket that holds the water, which it holds a lot of water, 2 liters. It's a lot of water, but it's not that tall. It sits at a good height for your cat to not to have to lean over to drink it. I don't know how well this would be for kittens, because they would have to kind of climb up to try to get to it. But normal age regular cats, it's perfect height for their nose to just walk right up and drink. So then you sit there and put this right on top of it, so it's pushed down. I had it turned slightly. You got to make sure this lid is like not turned at all, and then you just slide the nozzle in there, and then just slide it down. Clicks into place, and then you also have, that way you don't even have to worry about it getting knocked over. On both sides you have these anti-flip, so depending on where you have it on the floor, you can slide these in and out. So if you don't want to, if it's not on a stable floor or whatever, this will keep it from rolling over at all. So it's just this little right there. So So check it out. So I already used this for a week. It absolutely works amazingly. No problems. It did work for actually 11 days. The battery lasted for longer than 11 days. Well, it's still lasting. I haven't charged it yet. But it was 11 days on and off. Just leave it on the mode. Like, you hold this down. I don't know how good it is that, like, you hold it down for 3 seconds to turn it on. And then you hold it down for 3 seconds to turn it off. And then if you like push it once, it'll change the mode to like, you can leave it always circulating. You can leave it on the sensor where motion sensing. So I left it as a sensor. That way you're not killing the battery life on it. Really awesome product. Check out the actual product here. So, and then it has a really long charging cable for it. It's a USB to USB-C. Now, it doesn't come with an actual charging. It only comes with a USB to USB-C. It doesn't actually come with the wall outlet piece for it. So you do already have to have some outlet to plug a USB into, whether your computer, laptop, or an outlet that has a USB-C, or I mean a USB charging port. So that is one of the things that you have to, that I wasn't a fan of either, is it would be nice if it came with that actual power plug part for it. But I have tons of those laying around. You probably do too, so it's not really a deal breaker. And it's definitely worth the cost. It's really inexpensive. That is everything. And what do you think? Do you think this is worth it? I think it is. I mean, I can leave this for, 10-day vacation, not worry about it, because it's definitely a lot of water and it keeps it clean. So, they have clean drinking water, just like you don't want to like drink bad water. This helps keep that nice and clean. And what do you think? And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever other YouTube videos recommended over here.